The NFFF welcomes Vito UK to film their latest operational video, and we also welcome them as one of the solutions for filtering in our training academy.
Welcome to Vito UK. As part of our ongoing commitment to the industry, we have produced this operational video on the Vito 80 oil filtration system. Using the Vito daily will give you a high quality, consistent fried product, as well as give you significant oil savings. Let's run through the contents of the box. We have the guide for fish and chip shops. We have the operational manual. Inside the box you'll have 10 free filter papers to get you started, the housing unit, the motor and the drip tray. On fish and chip models you will have 4 feet at the base of the unit. This is to aid the vortex filtration of the Vito. When fitting the filter paper, ensure that both ends of the filter go into the top and bottom ends of the Vito. Give it a little press down, close the lid and ensure you push the ridge into the bottom lugs. Stand the unit upright, give it a little press into place, place the motor unit on top, tighten up the wing nuts. On both sides of the Vito. We're then ready to go for the operation of the Vito into the fryer. Before filtering with the Vito, ensure that you thoroughly skim your pans. This allows larger parts of particles and debris to be pulled out of the oil so that you'll get a better filtration and also your filter papers will last longer. Once you've skimmed your pans, ensure the Vito's plugged in and turned on, and then hold the Vito from the 2 black handles and place into the bottom of your pan and press the start button. During the 5-minute cycle, the Vito will filtrate 80 litres of oil per minute, reaching into all the corners of the pan and picking up the carbon and the debris left from your products. Once the Vito has finished its cycle, you will hear a beep. You then take the Vito by the 2 black handles again, allow it to drain for about 30 seconds and then lift it into the next pan and repeat the process. Using the Vito in hot oil allows for a finer and more perfect filtration because the oil is at its thinnest when it's hot, and there's no need to let your pans cool down, meaning that this can be used at any time of the day, before, during and after service. Once you've finished filtering your last pan, place it into the drip tray, coil up the wire, take the Vito through to the back of the kitchen, ready to use again later in the day, after service or last thing at night. Once you've filtered all your pans and you're ready to change the filter, simply unscrew the top of the unit, place to the side, open the base unit either over a bin or into a tray. Just take a look at all the carbon and particles and debris that have been removed from the oil. Discard the biodegradable filter paper and then take the Vito to the wash-up area to be cleaned. Simply strip down the parts, noticing the slide tray must be removed and cleaned. Put in a sink of soapy water, wash the parts thoroughly, allow to dry, and then put the Vito back together again, taking note that both slide filters you've pulled out go back in with the 2 lugs facing inwards. You can only fit them one way. Replace with a clean filter, close the lid, place the Vito unit on top, and you're ready again to start filtering for the next day. The idea with the Vito is to be used multiple times in each pan all throughout the day, giving you the perfect oil management system of filtering and topping up.